This is Lisa of Lisa's Quilting Passion, and I am here as a 2022 Island Batik Ambassador, and I'm so lucky that they send me some freebies products for me to check out, and they sent me 2 boxes. Gone ahead and popped them open, untaped them so we can get into them pretty quick. And so this first box is pretty light, so let's see what we've got inside of here. It looks like we've got some Hobbs wool batting, queen size. This will be really nice and warm. And we've got some 80/20 bleached cotton batting, queen size. That will be very nice with a natural fiber. And we have some fusible batting strips. These will be really cool to use. Use them for bags, sashing, all kinds of things. That will be fun to work with. And next, we have some more Hobbs. This one is another queen size, premium polyester. So a little bit of each kind of the batting. And we have Hobbs cotton batting. So again, queen size. So perfect size for making quilts. So that looks like that box is empty. So we'll get it out of the way. And the fun box is this next one. This thing weighs 28 pounds. Very large, very heavy box. But it's the most exciting part. Love the batting. Gotta have the batting. This is the cool side. We've got some Auriful threads. We've got the Pinkland iguana. And looks like, we got some different pinks here. Oh, these are really pretty. And let's see, these are 40 weight. Those will be awesome for adding in with the quilts. And let's see, next, what do we have here? We have our Fall 2021 pre-cut. It is 2 yards of light or the neutral and 2 yards of the dark. New foundation. Oh, these are beautiful oranges here. And then the strips, the 2.5-inch strips, 40 pieces of the different awesome colors. So I love how bright these are. They're going to be so much fun to work with. And then let's see, we've got some stash busters. Some different, looks like different colors here. Bright reds and some bright blues. Oh, look how beautiful these little colors are here. Oh, these are going to be so much fun to work with. And let's see, what else do we have here? Our graduations pack. This is the colors I'm going to be using for January in my quilt. And they come by the yard. And so you can pick out the different colors that you want. And it's called Glorious Greens. These are beautiful colors. I can't wait to see what I can make with that. And then, here we go. Big, tall stack. Oh my gosh, look at this. We've got Season Fall 21 Collection Wondrous. It will be in the shops in February, and it's part of our February blog hop. So look at all these beautiful colors here. Darks, lights, beautiful greens, and different beautiful colors. And of course the yardages to go with them. And let's see what we got here. We've got 2 yards of the light and 2 yards of the dark that coordinate with our Fall 21 bundles. These are all half yard bundles. And then let's see. Next, looks like we've got some neutrals here. We have our basics, your black, your white, and your gray. Black, white, gray bundle here. 4 yards of each. Perfect for helping add into these quilts. And let's see, we have the Petite Foundations bundle. This is a half-yard bundle of all their stock, different fabrics, solids, and some of their basic colors here. So these are really great to add in where needed, an additional color, or to make a beautiful quilt. And we have, let's see, 8 yards of oyster, a basic color here be great for sashing or background or fill in with the darker colors. And this one I can't show you exactly yet. It's a surprise. It is our Winter 21 bundle, and it will be coming out in May in the shops, and you'll get to see it in my May blog, our blog hop. And so kind of got tore up in the shipping, so we'll just get it back inside that box there. And so I am so excited to be an ambassador this year for Island Batik and all of the great sponsors that are working with us. And so I will be working on different quilts each month or projects, and I will be so excited to share with you and our different patterns. So please follow all of the ambassadors and all of our different color schemes that we've got, and I look forward to seeing you.